Do you need to know where the fluid top-up locations are on a Toyota Corolla from 2006 to 2012? Check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a Toyota Corolla from 2008 and this has the 1.8 litre petrol engine, and this should be the same for all models from 2006 to 2012. And in this video I'm going to be showing you where all of the day-to-day fluid top-ups are. So by day-to-day fluids I mean the ones that you're going to have to check and top up on a regular basis, not things like the transmission fluid. So obviously to do this we're going to go underneath the bonnet, and if you don't know how to do that, just go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. And once you've done that, just go ahead and put your hand in just above the Toyota badge, and we're going to be pushing that lever there to the left, and then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once your bonnet's safe and secure, we can just have a good look around the engine bay. So if I just start over the right hand side where there's not actually too much, I'll just point out that's your air box with the air filter inside. This is your main fuse box. Underneath is actually your battery, and then we'll just come along here and we'll go over to the left hand side, and this is just your washer top up. So do make sure that you use either the concentrate or the dilution for the washer fluid, just the reason being cleans your windscreen a lot better, but it actually prolongs the life of your windscreen wipers as well, rather than just water. So moving up, this is our coolant reservoir, and I've just noticed this one is very low, so I'm going to go ahead and top that up in just a second after this video. As you can see, it's way down the bottom there, and the full and low lines are just here, so you want to make sure that it's always sat between those two. Now, important information is you don't ever undo this cap once the engine is hot. So my engine's actually hot right now, because main reason is that the liquid could expand, could spew out over your hand and scald you, and obviously we don't want to do that. Now going towards the back here, we've actually got our brake reservoir right here, and it does say there to use DOT-free brake fluid. Now there is a little bit of a trick here. You've just got two clips there and there that allows you to get better access to that reservoir. Make sure that's always clicked down, and then a couple of your bits like mine, a couple of the rubber clips like that just pop out, but they pop straight back in. And then probably most important is the engine oil. So we actually have our engine oil top up location here, and you can just go ahead and unscrew that. Obviously lefty loosey, righty tighty, nice and simple. And then we actually have a dipstick found just below, so you will need a bit of a rag, which I don't have on me at the time. You're going to pull that dipstick out, you'll give it a clean off, and you can see there's two holes there. Now this has just had an oil change. You can see it's a lovely caramel color of oil, and you can see the two holes. Once you've cleaned it, you're going to then just drop it all the way back in, wait for a couple of seconds, and then pull it straight back out, and that should give you a true indication of where the oil is. So like I say, mine's just had an oil change, so I know it's good, but we want to be closer to the hole there on the right, not the hole towards the end of the dipstick. And you can find your engine oil type in the workshop manual for your car, or recommended by your local parts shop. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.